S-Electro Elite was designed in such a way that there is no climb you can't conquer with this bike. The motor provides extra power to the bike, which making it easier to climb hills, ride longer distances and tackle challenging terrains. The bike is packed with features, but let's talk about geometry first. The frame is alloy, triple butted, which makes the bike lighter and more compliant. It consists of a single pivot one-piece solid rear triangle for precise suspension movement and increases lateral stiffness. Pop power geometry designed to give you the power transfer to the wheels, promoting comfort for long distances. But what makes any suspension bike great is of course the suspension system. The high anti-squat figure helps to keep the bike articulated in the movements under assisted power with a soft suspension setting for all-day comfort. The bike has a perfect ratio between optimized chainstay length and agility and a large volume tires for precise handling. Let's look at the smart cable routing on the bike. Just by looking at the bike, you can only notice straight, smooth lines with no optical interruption. The cables are hidden inside, keeping your cockpit clean and tidy. The linear leverage ratio ensures the long stroke gets to the full travel on rough terrains and allows the rider to have consistent damping throughout the whole shock stroke. The current bike is spec'd with Shimano EP800 motor, but of course it can be changed if you use the configurator app for customization. Large 700 watt internal battery delivers around 110 km range of pedal assistance. The battery charges to 80% in 3 hours. By removing the battery, you can charge it externally with the help of an external adapter. The bike offers 1x12 drivetrains for efficient shifting, superior durability and plenty of gears for almost any terrain. We do not use the front derailleur, which helps to save weight, cost for replacement and of course with a wide range cassette. The frame is compatible with 150 to 160 mm fork travel for shock absorption to handle those unique terrains which you are about to hit with a great bike. Custom-tuned rear shock of 145 mm delivers the maximum performance. SUNringle durable wheels are built to last with wide, design stiff welded aluminum construction. They are tubeless ready, which will suit your wheel building needs if you want to go tubeless. We use on the front wheel Maxxis Minion and at the rear tire Assegai 29 2.5. The grips and the saddle are the most touch areas on your bike. You cannot ignore a good and comfortable saddle on this bike. Ergonomically selected and perfectly curated components will give you an optimal riding performance. Drop a seat post allows for quick adjustment to saddle height. The bike has everything you need for your everyday use. Special design e-bike saddle is very suitable for this bike in terms of function, ergonomics and durability. Frame has enough tire clearance for fenders, mudguards, kickstand, rack. On this bike is everything thought out. Even a small Shimano chainstay retainer helps ensure chain stability and avoid chain drop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.